Welcome back to my channel, guys. Guess what TV? In today's video, I'll be showing you how I make my Christmas cake, also known as black cake. We have our ingredients: butter, flour, vanilla, rum, browning, 8 eggs, lemon juice, lemon rind, nutmeg, cinnamon powder, sugar, and most of all, we have our fruits that have been soaked. So stay tuned, guys. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Join me. We start off by creaming 450 grams of butter and 450 grams of sugar. You can use your wooden spoon or your electric mixer. So we mix until it becomes very light and creamy. Then we're gonna add 8 eggs. We continue to mix until evenly distributed. To add some lemon rind that we have grated and also some lemon juice. The lemon juice tends to take away the freshness, the rawness of the eggs. We're going to prepare our dry ingredients: 450 grams of flour, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, some breadcrumbs of your choice, or you could use some Jamaican tough crackers. We also add some cinnamon powder and some nutmeg. we mix our dry ingredients so that it will be evenly distributed. Now we're adding our dry ingredients, about a third of it, to the mixture that we had. We're using mixer speed 1 to fold in everything together. Mix until evenly distributed. And now we're going to add our blended fruits that have been soaked for a while. Then we're going to mix to make sure that it is evenly distributed. Yes, guys, and we're adding our browning, about 2 tablespoons of browning. It depends on how dark you want your cake. You will determine the amount that you use. Then we're going to add some vanilla. This time I'm going to add a little bit of rum. You don't have to, but I like the little flavor that comes with it. I'm going to add a little bit more fruits and a little bit more browning. By this time, you will know if you need to add a little more browning. You know, some persons like to have their cake very, very dark, you know. You can decide. Yes, guys, I love the color of this cake. It is there. It's almost there, guys. I think by this time we're ready to pour it into the different tins that you have. I'm using the disposable cake tins. I have greased the bottom with some butter. Some people like to use grease paper. You know, it's up to you guys. And this is what we have here. 350 degrees. We bake these cakes for 2 hours. At the end of the first hour, we reduce from 350 degrees Fahrenheit to 300 and bake for the next hour. So it's a total of 2 hours baking. This is the finished product, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Baking, we normally wind the cake down just to keep it moist. You can use your red label wine. In this case, I'm using my Ruby port wine. To each and every one, Merry Christmas when it comes, and a Happy New Year. Peace. I'm out. Thank you for watching.